Not bad.
I got a new life. You would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How can a person like me care for you? Why do I bother when you're not the one for me? Ooh, is enough enough? I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Life is demanding without understanding. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drag you up to get into the light where you.
2, 1, go!
Welcome to Get Real Vlogs, where being controversial is my only talent, and today we are staying 24 hours in a treehouse. Iconic tour. We have this little kitchen living room area. It's sick. Pretty awesome. Huge windows. Then a bedroom on the downstairs area. Giant bed, TV, nice bathroom, and there's this really cool outside area to hang out. You can overlook the road, which is a lot more busy than I thought it would be. I've seen a lot of cars passing through, and there's actually housing really close by too. I was afraid. I was really afraid it was going to be right in the middle of absolutely nowhere, but it's really not. There's a lot of stuff within like 5 minutes of this place. Oh, hopefully. Here's the upstairs bedroom. It's not the light for it. Let me try to find it. Ha. Same thing. Nice desk. Giant bed as well. Little TV. And small bathroom here as well. And the upstairs bedroom has this awesome little window where you can overlook part of the living room. Had to make a pit stop here at the historic Selma Mansion. This used to be completely abandoned, this whole mansion. It was insane. Now it's fully restored. I don't know how it was abandoned because there's a whole neighborhood that leads up to coming here. It's fully gated. There's a gate right there that you would have to go through to get up to it. Pretty sure someone lives there now. There's a bunch of cars up there. I know it's fully restored. I think I have videos of it before it got restored, completely abandoned somewhere. I'm gonna see if I can actually put those in this video. But yeah, that's the Selma Mansion, and it's a lot bigger than it looks from back here. Is under the cabin treehouse, and when I was younger I would be terrified to stay probably in something like this. It defies the laws of gravity. What's super cool about this treehouse, they have an elevator here. So it's because the stairs are spiral. They're really hard for someone to get up if they have any type of handicap or just difficulty walking upstairs in general. So they put this in. I'm gonna try it out. I think I'm gonna try. A little nervous. I thought it was like a full-scale enclosed elevator, which really worried me because I'm terrified of elevators. But I think I can manage this, because if something bad were to happen, which I don't expect it to, I can probably jump out and be all right. Works great, and there's a wasp. But yeah, it works great. No issues, no weird noises. Definitely recommend using this if handicap or someone's in a wheelchair. I want to give a huge shout out to the host of this property. There's multiple hosts, but the one I spoke with is named Donnie. What I was trying to book on the site, it just wasn't working out right for him and I. We were both having issues trying to book it, and it was really last minute, but he was really cool, and I actually called him personally, and he gave me a really nice discount and hooked me up really quick to get into this place the day of, hours of, to be honest, and he even sent someone to clean it quickly so I could get here. And we talked on the phone, and he gave me suggestions of places around the area to go eat, to go try, to go look around at. Big shout out. I highly recommend this place. I could, if anyone wants to message me and try to come to this place, I can give you info to come here. He was a really awesome guy. Thank you so much. Also, with the elevator that I tried out, that he let me try out, which is really nice of him as well. I believe, if I am correct of what he told me, it is the only one in the area, if not Virginia, where they have that. I don't believe any other properties have that active elevator outside on a property like this where people can use it to get into their Airbnb, which is really awesome. So there were a bunch of places obviously I wanted to go to, but with the Penguins game being on, that kind of ruined some things because I have to be here to watch the Penguins game, man. So we have Giovanni's Pizza. I didn't get pizza. I got a calzone. I got a cheesesteak. Let's see how it tastes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a bite. Rate the score. Pretty decent. Like a 7. Let's see. You know that cool trick where you smack the Jenga and like one whole row and it falls, but it lands perfectly and you knock out a whole row? Been practicing that. I can do that. Not bad. Not bad. I actually was fully expecting a blooper on this and for it to fall everywhere. I'm actually genuinely impressed with myself. That was actually pretty freaking cool. Alright, Penguins just got spanked again. They're going to lose the series. Time to go to bed. Have to be up early. This place is, seems like a horror movie. Late at night, hopefully I get some good sleep. In the middle of nowhere. Kind of creeped out, not going to lie, but hopefully I sleep well. I hope you guys have been enjoying these new forms of videos where I explore these awesome places that I stay in these cool towns. I know it's been a while since I've been uploading consistently. It was a little difficult and I wasn't really in the mood to film with the loss of my dad. But I think that I'm back to trying to upload consistently. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. This has been Get Real Vlogs. Love you guys.